In March 2026, the long-standing tensions between the United States and Iran have escalated into a direct and intense military conflict. The spark followed the collapse of nuclear negotiations in early 2026, leading to a massive U.S. military buildup in the region. The conflict involves the U.S. and Israel in a joint offensive against Iran, its military infrastructure, and its network of regional proxies. Operation Epic Fury targeted hundreds of Iranian missile sites and air defenses, while Iran retaliated with drone and missile strikes across the Middle East. The strikes have resulted in significant casualties, including the reported death of Iran's top leadership, leaving the nation's command structure in disarray. The closure of the Strait of Hormuz has sent global oil prices soaring, triggering a massive $3.2 trillion loss in global markets. International calls for de-escalation are mounting, yet the U.S. administration maintains a stance of demanding unconditional surrender. The outlook remains uncertain, with the risks of total regional war clashing with the desperate search for a path to peace.